Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Aloft Chicago Schaumburg. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool and a bar. Near the intersection of interstates 90 and 53, this hotel in Rolling Meadows, Illinois offers free shuttle service within a 5 miles radius and an on-site restaurant. Aloft Chicago Schaumburg features 2 indoor pools, 2 hot tubs and a fitness center. Guests will also appreciate the indoor sports court and arcade room. Guests can also take advantage of the 24-hour business center, then relax with a meal in McKenna's restaurant. The guestrooms at the Rolling Meadows Holiday Inn offer microwaves and refrigerators. After a busy day, guests can make a cup of coffee with the in-room coffeemaker or use the hotel-wide free wireless internet access. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.